Hello there, my name's Chris, Sales Manager for Sound and Vision in Bolton. We're looking at a brand new TV range today from Sony. There's 5 models in this range and they're known as the W5810 series. So the model numbers are the KDL46W5810, the KDL47W5810, the KDL40W5810, the KDL46W5810 and the KDL52W5810. So we've got there 5 models, 32, 37, 40, 46 and 52 inch screen size. So you've got a model there and screen size really available for anybody in any situation, 32 inch to 52 inch. The specification is identical on all 5 models apart from one thing, which is the contrast ratio. So we'll deal with that first. The contrast ratio on the 32 inch is 80,000 to 1 contrast. On the 37 inch it's 50,000 to 1. So 50,000 to 1 on the 37 inch. The 40 inch, the 46 and the 52 have the same contrast ratio, which is 100,000 to 1. So what is the contrast ratio? The contrast ratio determines how good that black level is. And the inkier, the darker you get that black level, the more natural colour palette you get, the better depth of field and more detail on darker scenes. So you've got a contrast level there which does vary on those models. But as I said, it's 80,000 to 1 on the 32, 50,000 to 1 on the 37, and it's the same on the other 3 models. On the 40, the 46 and the 52, it's 100,000 to 1. Now then, we'll go through the rest of the specification, which is the same on all 5 models. We're looking at a TV range here, which is also full HD. So they'll cope with 720p, 1080i and 1080p resolution. You only get the 1080p resolution, the very highest form of high definition, from either a Blu-ray DVD or a games console. You do not get it from any TV broadcast. Now this TV will cope with 720p and 1080i, which is what you get from, say, BBC HD, ITV HD or any Sky HD broadcast. It will cope with anything that's broadcast over the TV airwaves for you in high definition, but it's also 1080p resolution, and if you want to achieve 1080p resolution, as I said, you get that through a Blu-ray DVD or a games console, and it will do that as well. Now you also need on the TV a good reaction speed. If you're looking at a TV screen size, I mean the one we have here is actually the 46 inch, but as I said, it goes up to the 52. Now then, if you're looking at a TV on a large screen, you can start to notice maybe a delay on drag on some fast movement. Now standard TVs scan at 50 Hz, so your picture is made up of 50 images per second. Now on a larger TV you can start to see as that image moves a slight delay or dragging fast movements, but this range is 100 Hz. So you've got 100 images per second making up that picture for you. So you're going to get no delay or drag in any fast movement. So we've got a range here which has a good contrast level. They are full HD and 100 Hz scanning. Now to get HD on any product you have to have HD sockets. Now if I go through the sockets on the back of this TV, it's got 4 HDMIs. There's 2 on the back and 2 on the side. It's got 2 SCART sockets on the rear of this TV, of which one of them is wired for RGB. So if you want to feed a standard Sky Plus box into here, or if you've got a traditional DVD player, you can go into the menu on that Sky box or into the menu on that DVD player and output what they call RGB, which is a better signal to select. If you're using a SCART cable, it will give you a better image. You've also got component, which is the red, green, blue connection. Xbox 360 can use component, some DVDs use component, but you've got one component socket on here as well. You've also got composite, the Wii Games console, which is the yellow, red and white socket can use composite. You've got composite input. You've also got a PC input on there. We've got a PC plugged into this here now, so you can plug your computer directly into here. You've got an Ethernet connection on the side of the TV. So you can actually get if you've got a wireless internet system at home, so you can plug in a dongle into the side of this TV, into the Ethernet port, and you can get actually wireless internet through this TV as well, with access from your main PC. You've also got on this TV optical out. So on the rear of this TV there's an optical socket. You can send the sound out from this TV digitally through an amplifier to improve the sound if you want to do so. You've also got analog audio out on the rear of this TV, so you've got an option there of analog or digital optical out on there. You've also got a headphone socket on the side of the TV, and you've also got a USB connection on the side of this TV as well. So if you've got any photographs stored onto a memory stick, you can connect into the side of this TV and have your photographs directly on the TV itself. So loads of sockets on here. You shouldn't be short of anything with regards to plugging anything into this TV range. Now then, if we go into the set itself, we'll just go into the AV settings. Now if we just go up to TV, we'll come straight onto the TV channels now. This TV has got 3 tuners built into the set itself. Only 2 are going to be of any use to you. It's got an analog tuner. Now analog is going out throughout the UK now. It's a service which is being switched off. But you've also got digital Freeview built into this TV, and it's also got FreeSat built into this TV. Now Freeview works through your standard TV area. You plug an aerial lead into the back of this TV, and you've got over 60 channels, a mixture of TV and radio on Freeview. You've also got FreeSat built into this TV. That works from a satellite dish. So if you've got a standard Sky satellite dish, you can take a cable directly from that dish into the back of this TV, and you've got a satellite tuner built into here to give you what they call FreeSat channels. There's around 145 channels on FreeSat, a mixture of high definition, standard definition and radio channels. So you get BBC HD and ITV HD at the moment, but Channel 4 HD and Channel 5 HD have signed up to come onto FreeSat as well. Plus you've got standard definition channels on FreeSat and radio channels as well. So FreeSat and digital Freeview built into this TV. So really high specification. If we go into the menu, I'll briefly just run through this with you. It's got Sony's crossbar menu system, which is a very nice menu system to work through. If we go into, well, first of all, if we look at Bravia images, it's a nice little touch on this TV where you can actually use the TV itself as a photo frame. So rather than just being if you're having this wall mounted, rather than just being sort of a black box on the wall, you can actually select an image from the preset image that are built into the TV, or what you can do, I said you've got an Ethernet port on here, you can send any images you've got stored from your PC hard drive directly to the TV, or you've got the USB. If you've got any images stored, any photographs stored, you can send those in via the USB at the side of the TV and use those as a photograph, as a picture on your wall, and use the TV as a photo frame. Suggest is perhaps give us a call. You can get hold of myself, just for Chris, at the shop on 01204 861 861. That's 01204 861 861. Or just go to our website, which is soundinvision.co.uk. You'll find more information on these products on there. There's also extended guarantees running up to 5 years at the moment on this range at the time of making this video clip. Or just click the link. There'll be a link at the side here. Just click the link and it'll take you through and get more details that way as well. Thank you.